What's up, guys? It's Rob here, and we need to talk about CLOV stock because some very exciting patterns and some very exciting news just presented themselves. So let's take a look at the chart. We can see on the day we're doing decently, right? We're up 0.88%, almost 1%, and we can actually see the CLOV has officially broken out of this range right here, right? It's very official at this point. We have officially made it out of the $8 and $8.40 range, and that is very exciting stuff. And you can see why that is, because over the past 3 days, we have tried to break down below this level, right? First here, and my old history teacher from high school he told me something a long time ago, which I still believe to be true to this day. He said, if something happens once, it's just a thing. If something happens twice, it's a coincidence. And if something happens 3 times, it's a trend. So it is officially a trend. We are breaking out of the $8.40 resistance level. It is now a support level. It has supported us 3 times, and we have pumped up every time that we've hit it. So this is very impressive for CLOV. We are officially, moving up in this uptrend. Let's find a better time period to look at right here. So we made lows of 734, and since then we have started trending up. So that is very good news for CLOV. We are officially on the move upwards, and there is actually a very specific date, and you've probably identified it already by looking at this red line right here. This date, September 9th, is a very, very important time for CLOV, okay, because some news came out just a couple of days ago that is going to greatly impact their stock price, is my expectation at least, right? You can see that they are going to present at the 2021 Wells Fargo Virtual Health Conference on September 9th. So they're going to have a live webcast to their website, and they're basically going to be given the opportunity to present some of the things that they've done with the company and some of maybe their future projects. Who knows what they're going to release there? We'll just have to wait until September 9th to see what happens, but that could be the perfect opportunity if we look at a longer-term chart for them to break out of this $10 level, right? If they can get past 9, which, over the next couple of days, maybe we'll do some trading, we'll bounce around. Hopefully, if we can get past 9, I think we could be primed for the September 9th date. It would not surprise me if we built up in price in anticipation of this and we're able to break free of this $10 range finally, right? If they announce something really great at that conference, then maybe we could bounce out of the $10 level. Now, I don't think that this is going to give the opportunity for anything bad to happen, right? I don't think the CEOs would want to be at this conference if there was the chance that they were going to say something that would diminish the stock price, right? They're not in the business of beating down their own stock price. I don't think that they're going to go to this conference and reveal some horrible news for CLOV. I think that this is most likely going to be good news for CLOV. I can't imagine why they would go to a conference, a voluntary conference, right? This isn't an earnings call. This isn't a mandatory SEC meeting. It's a conference for health providers. So I just can't imagine why they would go there and then have bad news about their own stock, right? That doesn't make much sense. So this is almost certainly only going to be a positive for CLOV stock price. And this is really a prime opportunity to get involved. I actually just got involved myself with CLOV. I bought 500 shares just a couple of minutes before starting this video because I noticed, after looking at the chart, that we had bounced off this 840 level again, and officially we are in this uptrend now because it has formed a new support level. So I entered around 852. We can see right here, 852 is my average price. I believe I bought in right on this, this very compelling green bar right here. I bought when it was a little bit of a red bar, actually, but I bought around here, and my plan is to hold. We'll see if I hold until the conference. I'm not entirely sure if I will. It depends on how much CLOV moves up, right? I am swing trading this, so if we end up getting above $9 before then, I would probably sell out and wait to see what happens at the conference. However, I'm not one of the long-term, well, I am a long-term CLOV investor. However, this is just my day trading account, essentially, right? So that's mostly what I use this account for. And I just realized I had the face cam on the whole time, so I should probably have switched that back to the stock chart. You can actually see right here the active trader, $8.52 is my average price, 500 shares right here. Sorry about that, guys. We make mistakes every now and then. So yeah, I entered in around this very compelling green bar right here, and my hope is that this stock will move up above 9 before the conference, right? That's my expectation. That's the trade that I'm basing this off of. If we move up a ton today, then maybe I would sell half my position just to lock in some gains because CLOV is a volatile one. And you never know when the institutions are going to get greedy. So hold on just 1 second. All right, we are back and we are on Market Watch. We're looking at the percent of float shorted. It has not changed since we last looked, right? This is essentially almost exactly where it was during our last video. So I don't think that more institutions are really interested in shorting this one. I think that if anything, they're probably going to start exiting those short positions. And perhaps some of them have. Maybe some new institutions were stepping in, or some new maybe retail investors who were just discouraged by this decrease in stock price. Maybe they were like, hey, I'm getting destroyed by these shorts. Let me join the shorts. And that's, in my opinion, the exact wrong thing to do at this time. I think that, if you were going to make money shorting, it already happened. I think that we've, at this point, built up some very strong resistance levels around $8, and especially now $8.40 that we've bounced off of it 3 times pretty strongly. And especially considering that this conference is coming up on September 9th, it just doesn't make sense to be shorting anymore, in my opinion. So that's what I have to say about CLOV. I think that we will probably be moving up, and I am very excited about this trade. Thus far, I've made $20 on it. So let's see if we can keep that going, keep this ship moving upwards. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it when you do that, but you don't have to feel any pressure to do either of those things if you don't want to. But I would really appreciate it. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.